Okay, so the first few lessons in week 2 are going to be about how to navigate around the AutoCAD environment. I want you to be very comfortable zooming, panning, creating views, and using viewports, because that's where you spend about half your time. Okay, we're going to start by opening up the pan1.dwg file. That's part of your exercise files. So we're going to go open. We can open a couple different ways. We can click open here. We can click open here. We can go up here and say open, or we can use the application menu. So there's all sorts of different ways to open a file. I show you all the different ways, and you decide which way you like best. And then go to the folder that you used to place your files. Okay, oops. And open Pan 1. Now, if you're constantly going to the same drive, instead of having to constantly browse like I did trying to locate it, you can right click and say add current folder, and that will add that folder there for you to look for the files. So you don't have to browse for it. The folder will be over here in this panel. So we're opening pan1.dwg. I'm going to click open. You can ignore this dialog box and just say OK. So we want to pan and zoom in real time and get familiar with all the different shortcuts. So if you right click in the screen, you've got pan and zoom. So I'm going to select zoom, and that basically lets me zoom in and out. Now, it's not making these elements bigger or smaller. It's just moving the piece of paper closer or farther away, just like if you zoom the camera on your smartphone. If I right click and go to pan, that lets me move the piece of paper from side to side, and the page stays the same. If I go to escape, I can right click and I still have repeat zoom and the other zoom tools there. So you can also use the wheel on your mouse to zoom in and out. If you hold down the wheel, that puts you in pan mode. So those are a couple of very easy ways to zoom and pan inside of a drawing.